how to handle merge conflicts. This is one of the most common challenges in collaborative coding and while dealing with GitHub. Have you ever faced a situation where both you and a teammate made changes to the same file in different branches only to hit a roadblock when trying to merge? I will walk you through a real-world example of these conflicts and show you exactly how to resolve them so that you can keep your project moving forward smoothly. Hi friends, my name is Rahul. Welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. So what is merge conflict? First we will clear the concept and then we will go to the practical aspects. A merge conflict happens when Git can't automatically combine changes from different branches. Imagine two people are working on the same document and both are making changes to the same line or section. When they try to merge changes, Git gets confused because it doesn't know which change to keep. Merge conflicts typically occurs in collaborative projects where multiple people are working on the same code or files. Now let us understand this with two scenarios. You and your teammate both edit the same line of code in a file. When you try to merge your changes, Git doesn't know which version to keep yours or your teammates. So we'll see the second scenario. You make the changes in one branch and someone else make the different changes in another branch. When you try to merge the two branches, Git finds differences in the same file and can't decide which changes to keep. How does Git indicate a merge conflict? When a conflict happens, Git will stop the merge process and inform you that there are conflicts. In the code file, Git will add special markers to show you where the conflict is. So this is a structure in which Git shows the merge conflict. Head means the branch in which you are in currently. What is the changes you have done? The next is the separator which separates your changes from the teammates' changes. And their changes is the change which the teammate has done. The last one is the branch name. That is the branch in which the teammate is in. So two different branches are there. And what are the two different changes? Next is when a merge conflict happens, what can you do to resolve the merge conflict? So we have three options. You can keep your changes, you can keep the teammates' changes, or you can combine both the changes if both make sense together. Now we will see how practically merge conflicts happen and how to resolve it. I'm creating a new repository with name merge underscore conflict underscore demo. We'll enter the description as for teaching. For teaching. Local path I have selected in desktop, initializing the repository with readme file and creating the repository. Now the repository is created. In my GitHub account, you can see new repository is not yet uploaded because I have not published it. So I will publish repository in the GitHub. Now it is published. This is the new folder created in the desktop with the .git folder and readme file. Now we will place a project file in the newly created repository merge underscore conflict underscore demo. The project file name is example. You can see one change is showing in the GitHub desktop. This is our project file code. We will give the name and description. Upload. We'll give the description as initial upload. And then click on commit to main. And push the same to the origin. Now we will go to the GitHub and refresh. You can see the repository merge underscore conflict underscore demo. We will open that to check the files. You can see the uploaded project file in the repository. Now I will go to GitHub desktop and create a new branch to show the merge conflict. Click on branch, give the name and create. Branch 1 I'll give, create branch. Then publish the branch to GitHub. Now I will change the branch from branch 1 to main branch. Then we'll open the project file and make the changes. Example is the project file. I'll open that. I will add after hello world by main branch. By main branch. Save it. Go to the GitHub desktop. We can see one change with the change we have saved in the project file. Give the name and description and commit the same to main. Update 1 I'll give. Update from main branch. Commit to main branch. Then we will push the change to the origin. Now we will change the branch from main branch to branch 1. We will open the project file from branch 1 and make the changes to the base file. Open the project file example. So after the hello world, I will add by branch. Then save the change. Now go to the GitHub desktop. We can see one change which we saved from branch 1. Give the name, description and commit to branch 1. I'll give update 2. Description as updation from branch 1 and commit to branch 1. Push the same thing to the origin. Now we can initiate pull request. First, review the pull request and then create the pull request. So it will open our GitHub web interface. Here you can see GitHub is not able to merge the changes automatically because of the conflict in the same line of code. We'll create a pull request. So it is showing this branch has conflicts that must be resolved. So there is a resolve conflict button. We'll click on it. This is how Git shows the conflict in merging process with special markers. This structure we have already learned in the initial slides. So branch 1 has changed hello world to hello world by branch 1. Then main branch has changed the hello world to hello world by main branch. Now you have to review and decide which one to keep. So how to resolve? We will delete the markers and the change which is not required. Then click on mark as resolved. Okay, I've deleted and I'm clicking on mark as resolved. Commit merge request. Now you can see the message, this branch has no conflicts with base branch. Click on merge pull request and confirm the merge. It shows pull request successfully merged and closed. You can delete the branch if not required. You can view the two commits happen. So this is how merge conflicts happen and how we handle the merge conflicts in simple terms. Hope you all understood. Thank you for staying connected. If you have any doubts or clarification required on the topics covered, please do comment in the comment box. We'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you.